What is the value of this? First, we know the I is the complex number. So this is the value of -1. And so I square. So this square of both of sides. So we can write this. And now IQ is equal to the I square into I. So I square is the -1 and this is the I into I. So this is the value is -I. And I4 is equal to the I square into I square. And there is the minus I square is the -1. So into the -1. So this is -1, this is the 4. So I4 I to the power 4 is equal to the 1, I to the power q is equal to the -I, and I square is the -1, and this is I, this is equal to I equal to I. And now this is I, we can write, and this is I square is equal to the -1, and the I q, so this is the -I, and the I to the power 4, so this is the +1, and there is the 1 plus I. So this +1 -1 cut, and this is the cut. So above is 0. This is 1 plus I is. So we can write this is the value of 0. So this value is 0.